Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a delicious fudgy addictive DDL brownies. To make this brownie, take some butter and chocolate in a microwave safe bowl. Add some coffee to it and melt this in the microwave. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check that out. Today we are going to be using this homemade DDL. I made this DDL with a condensed milk can. It's an easy way to make DDL. The video for this will be given in the description box. You can check that out later. DDL is Dulce de Leche. It's one of the most tastiest and addictive things. We are going to be using this in our brownie today. So melt the butter and the chocolate in the microwave. Whisk it well together till it's well combined. Then add some powdered sugar and mix it in. At this time, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then we are going to add 3 eggs. Beat 1 egg at a time till it's well incorporated. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and beat it in. Here I have some plain flour or maida. To this add some cocoa powder. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this well together. Place a sieve over the bowl and add the dry ingredients into the sieve and sieve it into the wet ingredients. Combine the dry and the wet ingredients. Be gentle, don't overmix the batter, just mix it till it all comes together to make a smooth, delicious batter like this. I'm using an 8-inch tin to bake these brownies. Line it with a parchment paper so that the brownies will come out easily. Now transfer about half the batter, half to 2/3 of the brownie batter into the cake tin and spread it evenly. And then add dollops of the DDL all over this brownie tin. You can add as much or as little as you want. I've added a little more than 1 cup of DDL. You can also melt this DDL in the microwave, make it like a sauce and drizzle it in. But I just love adding chunks of it like this. Then add the remaining brownie batter over the DDL and spread it. And then add some more chunks or dollops of DDL over the second layer of brownie batter. You can also swirl this together to make a pattern. Now this is ready to be baked in the preheated oven. It takes anywhere between 30 to 35 minutes to bake in the oven. Each oven is different, so start checking from 30 minutes itself if your brownie is done. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and wait for it to cool down completely before you cut into it. So this is it. A very delicious, fudgy and addictive brownies are done. These are one of the most delicious brownies you'll ever eat. With every bite of brownie you get some chunks of DDL also, which really lifts the brownie to another level. You have to taste this to believe how good it is. This is one of my most favorite brownies ever. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.